Good morning, dear children. In previous class, we discussed objectives of marketing. Today, we will discuss importance of marketing. As I told you that few subheads of objectives of marketing and importance of marketing are same, but the keywords explaining those points are different. So please be very careful while I am explaining the subheads of importance of marketing. Before proceeding, let's revise marking for points. Children, as we know that 1 point carry 1 mark, half mark for subhead and half mark for explanation. And the point should always explain in 2 different sentences and both the sentences explaining 2 different aspects of the same subhead. Importance of marketing. First point, foundation of business. Children, marketing is the foundation of business. It is the basis of every business. The end of all production is consumption, and success of business enterprise depends on efficient marketing. Marketing helps to synchronize production with consumption. That is, the result of all the production and consumption depends on the success of efficient marketing. That is, if the marketing is efficient, what is marketing? Marketing is not a function, it is the process. That is a process of planning, pricing, promoting, distribution of want satisfying goods and services. So, if all these functions are efficiently performed by a businessman, the businessman will be successful and the products of the businessman will be much in demand, thereby more consumption of the products will be there, and when more products are being consumed, more production of product will be there. So a businessman will be able to sell more and more product, thereby produce more and more product if he has performed all the functions of marketing successfully, carefully, efficiently. Marketing helps to synchronize production with consumption. That is, it synchronizes. With the help of marketing, production and consumption can synchronize. As we know that the producer keeps on producing the product, but the producer produces these products not for himself, but he produces these products for the consumers who will purchase the product in order to use it. But consumer will purchase these products if the producer has performed all the functions of marketing efficiently. And one of the most important function of marketing is marketing research, which should be performed very carefully if the producer wants to be successful and if the producer wants consumer to buy more and more products. So if that production, the first and most important function of marketing, that is marketing research, is performed carefully, producer will be able to sell all his produce easily. And when he is successful in selling all his products, he will be able to produce more products and more products will also be sold. Next subhead is source of revenue. Children, as we know that most of the activities of marketing, they involve expenditure. In fact, we can say that all the activities of marketing involves expenditure. Which activities? Marketing research. If a producer wants to conduct marketing research, he needs to spend money to get people who help him conduct marketing research. Next function is buying, assembling. If a producer wants to purchase a raw material, he needs to spend money. When a producer performs the function of branding, labeling, packaging, standardization, grading, advertising, every function involves expenditure. Because all these activities are being performed in order to increase sale. But when a producer is successful in performing all these functions efficiently, the same activities, even though these activities involve expenditure, but the same activities will help a businessman to recover the cost which is incurred in all those functions. When a producer is able to perform all these functions efficiently, the demand for the product will be more and he'll be able to sell all his products, thereby generating more and more revenue for himself. Because efficient marketing creates demand for the products on its own, and thereby the producer can earn more and more revenue. And when he is able to earn more revenue, he'll be able to cover all the cost which he has incurred. So for explaining source of revenue, we will write marketing is the only source of generating revenue for the business. Other activities such as manufacturing, finance, research involve expenditure. Efficient marketing create demand and change the market so that more revenue is earned for meeting the cost. Next subhead is satisfaction of the customers. This was also an objective of marketing. So, for explaining satisfaction of customers' need as an importance of marketing, we will write marketing helps to assess customers' want and facilitate transfer of ownership of good. It creates time, place, position, utility. Children, marketing is important because it helps in assessing customers' want. Assessing customers' want with the help of marketing research. So, when a producer successfully assesses the needs, aspirations of the customer, he'll be able to transfer the ownership of goods. That means he'll be able to sell all the products which are produced by the producer. It creates time, place, position, utility. Marketing creates time utility with the help of warehousing, which is a function of marketing. Marketing creates place utility with the help of transportation, which is again a function of marketing. Marketing creates position utility with the help of selling, which is also a function of marketing. So we know that there are many activities which are involved in the process of marketing, and all the activities create utilities. Next point is higher standard of living. Marketing helps to improve standard of living by providing quality products at reasonable price. It brings to the knowledge of customer new products and their uses. Children, marketing helps in improving standard of living of people. Whenever you have to explain standard of living in commerce, you have to write that standard of living is improved by providing quality product at reasonable price. Now, how the customer can get quality product at reasonable price? They can get quality product at reasonable price, quality product, that is by marketing research. When a producer will conduct marketing research, he'll come to know about the needs, taste, preference, aspirations of people. And when the producer produces the product as per the needs and preference of the customers will like the quality of the product. Reasonable price, the producer is able to produce products at reasonable price by synchronizing production with consumption. That is, whenever the producer is successful in selling off all his produce, he'll be producing more. So when he will be producing more and more products, the cost of production per product will go down because of the element of fixed cost. This you know. So marketing succeeded in providing quality product at reasonable price, and it brings to the knowledge of customers the new products and their uses. It also helps in providing customers quality products by informing them the availability of new product and their uses. Children, if the customers do not know about the availability of the product, they'll not be able to purchase because they don't know that something new is there in the market. So they need to know that something new is there in the market, only then they'll be able to purchase the product. So the producer first produce quality product after conducting marketing research. Then he tag a reasonable price for the product, because if the price is not reasonable, children, there are two reasons for tagging a reasonable price. First is when the producer is selling products on a larger scale, the cost of production per product may go down because of the element of fixed cost. And secondly, if the producer is not tagging a reasonable price, customers will not buy the product of this producer. They will switch to the competitor. So producer provides quality product at reasonable price by informing customers about the availability of the product and its uses. Next subhead is gainful employment. Children, marketing creates job for a large number of people in advertising, selling, transportation, warehousing. Children, as we know that marketing is a process which involves several functions. All these functions can accommodate a large number of employees. A large number of employees can be accommodated in every function of marketing. They may be skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled. Every type of worker can be accommodated. It offers a rewarding job by increasing scale of production. Scale of production, again, when the scale of production of a producer will increase, his profit margin will increase, and when his profit margin will increase, he'll be able to provide job at a good salary. Next is basis of decision making. Children, marketing is a basis of decision making. How it is a basis of decision making? Because it has one most important function, that is marketing research. And marketing research is conducted by the producer who is performing the functions of marketing, and this marketing research becomes the basis for all the decisions. Children, marketing research is not only conducted for producing a product. Marketing research is also conducted in order to find the time slot when advertisement will be more successful. It helps in finding out the channels where advertisement can be more successful. Marketing research is also conducted to find out the best suppliers. It is also conducted to find out which brand can be more popular in a particular area. Marketing research is also conducted in order to find out the target market. So for every function, marketing research is required. So the producer can do marketing research in any area in order to find out the best mode of transportation, the best warehouses at a cheaper price, the best media of advertisement, the best agency of advertisement, the best form of insurance. So in order to get information about other activities also, the businessman conducts marketing research. It is not so that he does marketing research only to produce a new product or to bring some changes in the existing product. So marketing provides information with the help of marketing research, on the basis of which the firm decides what to produce, when to produce, and how much to produce. It is helpful in deciding appropriate strategies and policies of the business. That is, after conducting marketing research, the producer can form new policies and strategies for his business. Children, one more point, that is development of nation, is given in your book. Please don't write that point, because when you will explain that point, somewhere you will explain it with reference to higher standard of living and gainful employment. And if anywhere your explanation carries the same meaning which you have explained in other subhead, your sentence will be considered, or your point will be considered as repetition. Avoid writing such points where your explanation is same as that of any other subhead. Children, this is all for today. From tomorrow onwards, we'll discuss functions of marketing.